being traditional now is actually being modern, because a lot of this heritage food, now there's too many shortcuts and we forget what made it special in the first place. Let's take a look at our heritage food one more time. Why did grandma want to do this? Why did mum want to cook it this way? You can buy kueh padi shells everywhere, right? But if you make yourself, it's totally different. And if you present heritage food in this manner, it's something really, really modern. Heritage food is meant to be eaten family style. It's just meant to be like that. It's supposed to be just straightforward, delicious food. That is our heritage, and why should we follow somebody else's one when we have something so special? There's nothing like it anywhere in the world.
Right now, it's just on the verge of disappearing.